When someone helps you out, what's the magic word? Thank you, thank you, thank you. Please and thank you, please and thank you. These are the nice words you can say. Please and thank you, please and thank you. Say them every day. Thank you.
So Linden Montessori is not a normal school. We do everything differently. We basically break free from the norm. So back then, everybody knew that I would become a teacher because anybody who entered our house, they would be shocked. They used to be shocked to see all the cupboards, the walls filled with my writings. So keeping up with my ambition, I actually grew up to be a teacher, moved on to be a corporate trainer, and then I happened to read Stay Hungry and Stay Foolish. It's actually exciting to be hungry and foolish because that changed my life, and that's when I decided to take the plunge and start my own venture, which is Linden Montessori. So at Linden, everything is very hands-on. For example, if children are learning numbers and it's number 8, so they would actually be counting objects to know the value association. So 8 cars, ice cream sticks, and so on. And also, apart from the teachers in the classroom, there's somebody really special along with the teachers. And that special person is the class puppet. So the class puppet really helps children learn the mannerisms, thank you, sorry, along with the beautiful, exciting songs that we have for them. So if you were to walk into a classroom at Linden, you would notice that doing is primary. So you would see children making chapatis, folding clothes, they would be learning how to put buttons, tying shoelaces. So all of these activities lead to their confidence, building their confidence and independence. Everybody in the school right now is really excited. We are all gearing up for our annual day, and it is a very special event because it's a zero-waste event as well, and this time we are celebrating our 6th year of Linden. So we are all looking forward to it. We in fact do composting in the school itself, which I'm very proud of. So we all are in a way reducing our carbon footprint. So I would say that our greatest achievement is the fact that when parents tell us that the kids want to come to school on Saturdays and Sundays as well, and I think that makes me the happiest person. I'm Stuti Mehrotra, founder and director of Linden Montessori.